to day 16, and let's see, about the same in the waist. About the same in the hips as well. And thighs are about the same. Everything has not changed much. So that's where I'm at. And I have been eating raw continuously, but I kind of slowed down on my exercising. I was jogging every day, but I haven't been doing that lately. I think that's why I kind of hit a plateau. So starting tonight, I'm going to resume my daily jogging and see if that helps boost my weight loss, because I was decreasing steadily until I kind of stopped exercising every day, and now I'm just kind of coasting in the same place. So let's see what my weight is. 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤. So I've kind of been hovering around here for a couple days. I'm finally under 132, but now I'm kind of hovering in 131, almost 132. So that's where I'm at today. Getting ready to drink some coconut water. Let me show you how I open these. I just get some scissors, and I find there's going to be 3 knots or craters at one end of the coconut, and one of them is going to be penetrable. That's where the sprout comes out when the tree grows. This is really a giant seed, is what a coconut is. It's the fruit body of the tree, so it's related to fruit, but the part that we eat is the seed. Like you plant this and you grow a new tree. So really, most nuts that we eat we actually eat the seeds of the nut. Like a pecan, nuts are hard-shelled fruits, so when a pecan grows on a tree, it's got this hard shell, but when you break it open, the part that you eat is the seed. So really, usually when people say nuts, they really mean seeds, because the seed is the part that's generally eaten, typically eaten. Same with walnuts, almonds. The edible part that we actually eat is the seed. So I just stick the scissors in there, a knife, whatever you can think of, and just twist. Make a really big hole. Ow, I just cut myself. Twist, 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 and you'll have debris coming up. And sometimes I'll pour it in a glass, but I've just been drinking it like this now. You need to make a larger hole. If you don't make a large enough hole, it's just going to drip out very slowly. But if you make a really large hole, it'll pour out. Just make sure you really get in there and carve all the pulp out from around the hole. So when you drink it like this, you want to tip it over really fast, because if you slowly tip it over, it's going to dribble all down your chin and onto the floor and make a mess. Okay, and you just wipe it off, make sure that's clean. I did rinse this earlier. I'm bleeding everywhere. That's not good. And here we go. So good. This is what I try to drink instead of regular water. Because honestly, you just can't trust the water nowadays. It's questionable. I mean, you drink it if you have to, but I try to drink a lot of coconut water, eat a lot of watermelon, and things like that to stay hydrated. I mean, I do drink water as well, but this is my preferred source. No washing dishes either. You don't even have to use a glass. That's my thing lately. I despise, I loathe washing dishes. So I thought, you know what, I don't want dishes in my life. So I've been trying to not even use silverware. You know, I do have to use a knife sometimes to cut stuff. But I'm not even making meals anymore. I just stand at the kitchen counter and just eat. Because I don't want to wash any dishes. I hate dealing with dishes. I hate the sight of dirty dishes. I just don't want dishes in my life anymore, or silverware. So I'm just trying to simplify, make my life easy. So that's the way I've been eating lately, just kind of like a cave woman, and I like it better. And I demonstrated in a previous video how to crack this open. But you get anywhere between half a cup to a big full glass of water. So if you drink several of these a day, you don't even need bottled water. You don't need to buy big gallons. You don't need to drink water out of plastic, basically. This is tastier and much more nutritious. This is so good. I could drink this all day long. This is nature's cup of water. And I'm always so sad when it's all empty. Like, no more. So there you go. And if your store doesn't sell coconuts, you can order them online, you know, or drive to a nearby city, see if they have them. Luckily, I can get them from the store in town. They sell whole coconuts. So they help keep you full, help keep you hydrated, and they're an excellent source of many nutrients. And again, I'm going off about coconuts again. I just can't talk enough about them. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.